Welcome to the Sneaker Teacher channel. Today we're going to be simplifying a radical. I have 8 times the square root of 125. Anytime we are simplifying radicals, we want to make a factor tree. We're going to look at that number inside the radical and think of any two numbers that can multiply to it. That 8 out front is our coefficient, so anything we take out of our radical, we're going to multiply it with that 8. So any two numbers that multiply to 125, I found 5 and 25. And then we're going to keep breaking it down until we get to all prime numbers. So 25 breaks down into 5 and 5. Once we have our factor tree all the way down to prime numbers, we're going to look for partners in crime on those roots, so the bottom numbers. Those get to escape our radical jail. So in this case, we have one pair of 5s. So the coefficient, as I mentioned, is staying out front, and then we're going to multiply it by that pair of 5s that escaped. And then inside of our radical jail stays any numbers that don't have a partner. So if they have no partner, in this case, we have that one lonely 5, and that's going to stay behind in our radical jail. So that coefficient stays out front, the pairs escape. We only got one pair this time. And then any one without a partner stays in our radical jail. Multiply the 8 and the 5, we get 40, square root of 5, and that is going to be your lovely answer. Cool thing about radicals is we're really just changing what it looks like. We're not actually changing the value of it. So this is where that scientific calculator, feel free to grab one, you can use to check to make sure we did this correctly. We're going to take our original number 8, square root of 125. We're going to plug that in our calculator, and you get the decimal 89.442 and change. We're going to plug in our simplified answer, 40 times the square root of 5, and we want to get that same decimal, and we do. So in this case, we get the same answer, so we are all good to go. If you do not, go back and check your work and see if something went wrong. And I'm your Sneaker Teacher. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below if you've got questions or want another problem. Don't forget to subscribe, keep your kicks fresh, and stay irrational.